So today, here at Fast Lane European, we're gonna do a little educational video. This is as a result of all of the torrential rains here in Northern California. So this vehicle actually suffered a little bit of water damage. It came into the shop with a suspension warning light. This module is for the suspension. Prior to us removing the carpeting, which you see over here, we found about an inch of water inside the car. So you ask, where's this water coming from? Well, it's coming from the sunroof drains. So at each corner of the sunroof assembly, there are drains. 2 drains for the front, 2 drains for the rear. On this car, the drains for the rear were plugged, and that was allowing water to get into the back seat. We pull the back seat up, and what do we find but a swimming pool of water and corrosion. So we're cleaning all this up. I'm gonna get this dried out and back to the customer and clean out the drains, of course, and then it'll be taken care of from there.